The Latham Report, formerly titled Constructing the Team, was commissioned by the UK government and authored by Sir Michael Latham. It was published in 1994 as a response to the widespread recognition of systemic problems within the UK construction industry. It was written in an era marked by inefficiencies, low productivity, and adversarial relationships. This video is going to look at the issues that led to the report and then the impact it has had on the UK construction industry. In the early 1990s, there were several issues that categorised the construction industry. A pronounced adversarial culture. This led to frequent disputes and litigations between various parties on projects. This increased costs and led to delays which also compromised quality. Procurement and contractual practices were outdated. This often led to contractual arrangements that were unfair and therefore an imbalance in the relationship between clients, contractors and subcontractors. Regular poor performance in terms of quality, efficiency and productivity. These problems were further aggravated by a lack of client satisfaction and a failure to embrace innovation and technological advancements. Due to these problems, the UK government, along with the industry leaders, realised the need for a comprehensive review of the construction sector. Sir Michael Latham was appointed to lead this review, bringing together his experience as a Member of Parliament and his deep understanding of the industry. The goal was to diagnose the root causes of the industry's problems and propose practical solutions to transform it into a more efficient, cooperative and productive sector. Since the report was published, the sector has seen improvement, particularly in the following areas. A cultural shift towards collaboration. The adversarial relationships that were once commonplace began to give way to a more cooperative approach, with an increased focus on teamwork and partnership due to the report's emphasis on collaboration over confrontation. Enhanced client focus. The report's emphasis on client satisfaction led to a greater focus on meeting the needs and expectations of clients. This shift was significant in an industry that had previously been heavily criticised for often ignoring the end user's requirements. Introduction of dispute resolution mechanisms. To address the high incidence of disputes and litigation, the report recommended the introduction of more effective dispute resolution mechanisms. This led to the widespread adoption of practices such as adjudication. Legislative changes. The Latham Report directly influenced legislation, most notably the Housing Grants, Construction and Regeneration Act 1996. This Act implemented many of the report's recommendations, including fair payment practices and the statutory right to adjudication. Adoption of new technologies and practices. The report's call for embracing innovation in technology led to increased investment in and adoption of new technologies. Efficiency and quality improvements. The industry has seen improvements in efficiency and quality, with a greater emphasis on project management and effective procurement strategies. Improved contractual practices. The Latham Report advocated for fairer, more equitable contractual practices. This led to the development and much increased adoption of new forms of contract that were more balanced, aimed at reducing disputes and increased collaboration. Extremely popular forms of contract today, such as the new engineering contract and the Joint Contract Tribunal forms, saw revisions that aligned with these recommendations and have become widely used throughout the industry. The report also laid the groundwork for further reforms and reports, such as the Egan Report, Rethinking Construction, which furthered the agenda of modernising the UK construction industry. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.